So good morning. We are leaving from Hotel Almond. अब पता है तेरा आवाज़ सुने दे कि नहीं मालूम. Oh, look at that beautiful rising sun. The sunrises like these and sunsets at the beach, they make riding completely worth it. The water bottle gira. Water.
So just taking in some sun, much needed sun, I would say.
Yeah, it was so cold till now. I think it had gone down to 15 degrees.
Around the engine.
Around the engine that too. So I'm
you
sure.
can imagine with the wind how cold it would have been.
Yeah.
And there was a point in time where the fingers were so numb we couldn't even accelerate or use the clutch or brake.
Yeah, but that did result in getting a mileage of I think 35 on the KTM,
Yes,
which is
sure.
unheard of. That's good. So we've still got I think about 350 kilometers left. Should take us about I think 7.5 hours.
Yeah.
And it's a good place for having breakfast. Paratha for a change. I think it was cold and I don't think Misalpa would have really done justice.
Yeah. First time you're taking this route.
Yeah, first time
we're riding in such cold conditions together.
True.
A lot of firsts, and hopefully it continues to be more memorable as we keep progressing.
Yeah. All right. See you.
Bye.
Bye. One problem, as you can see, this has started to come out a bit. The inner lining is still okay, but I'm not sure how long it's going to last or going to hold. And I don't know why it has started coming out. It hasn't actually rubbed against anything anyway. It's very, very odd. Oh, I guess it's time for a new one anyway. I should have a long way to get back home with a torn bag. Let's see what to do. What is going on? Literally stuck. Our shoes are getting stuck here. Okay, so it's about, I think, about 4 o'clock. We've still got an hour and a half left to reach. We decided not to stop for lunch. We just ate an energy bar. I think that saves a lot of time
Yes,
and doesn't make you feel sleepy as well.
exactly. And automatically you maintain social distancing.
Correct. So I think it's a beautiful spot for us to stop here. Just show you around. So what did you say about the bikes?
Extremely comfortable and has taken all possible terrains till now. Be it tarmac, broken tarmac, gravel, freshly laid tar, actual tar.
Probably the best bikes we could really do this trip on.
Yes.
Right road, wildlife crossing. Wow. Do you expect to see any wildlife crossing? And maybe a couple of buffaloes. Can't really create a video of India without showing cows on the road, right? Kondegaon Gate. MTDC का नया branding and everything. As you can see, we have reached MTDC Tadoba. Sridhar just gone to do the check-in, and as of now it looks like there aren't any open spots for the night safari, but he said to come around 8 to check if there have been any last minute cancellations. So we shall check them and I'll keep you posted. Alright, there it is. Oh, pretty nice room. Nice room, yeah. Better than the Hotel Alvin for sure. Lot of space.
So finally here at the hotel room, extremely spacious. Tiring ride, but towards the end it was quite refreshing, especially through the forests.
Yeah, it was so nice and cool. It was an enjoyable ride through the forest.
Mixture of off-road, broken tarmac,
Yep,
and most importantly surrounded by greenery on both sides.
correct. Oh, and the sunset that we saw?
Sunset was absolutely out of this world.
Yeah. Okay, then I think we'll probably see you hopefully tomorrow morning. We should be able to show you some shots from the safari.
Yes.
Yeah, and see a tiger.
Hopefully.
Alright then, I think signing off for today. Bye bye.